What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release September 28th. But before we get into that shoe, wanted to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 14 Ginger. This shoe right here releases August 17th. If you want to pick you up a pair of these, they are shipping out right now on FineLine1721.com. Also have a full review live on the channel if you want to check it out. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Taking a quick look at the box, as you can see, we have the standard OG Retro 1 box. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. Color description is white, dark powder blue, and black. Let's go ahead and flip this lid up. Got a little stamp right here in the lid. Put the paper back. Now let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 Low UNC. First thing first, they do come with an added accessory. As you can see here, they do come with an added pair of laces in the UNC powder blue colorway. If we take a look at the back of the box, you can see that they have branded it Move to Zero. I'm assuming that Nike is taking the initiative on recyclable products. Now moving right along, they do come with a cardboard shoe tree, as you can see here. Now getting right into the overview of the shoe, starting with the top down view, all black sock liner, all black tongue with the UNC Nike Air branding on the top tab. The leather that they placed on this entire shoe is definitely of a nice grade of leather. Feels very durable and breathable. Has a lot of give right here on this toe. Going around to the lateral side of the shoe, white mid panel with the black Nike swoosh. And the leather that is placed on this toe box is present right here on this mid panel as well. Truly remind me of the Mystic Navy Air Jordan Retro 1 Low that released just a couple months ago. High quality materials on that shoe, and it seems like it's carrying over to this UNC colorway. To the heels of the shoe now, UNC collar with the black Air Jordan 1 wing logo sitting right here on the back. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Same soft materials that was on that side is present on this side as well. So that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 Low UNC. If you are a fan of these joints and you want to pick them up, you can do so on FineLine1721.com. Pairs will be shipping out early. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.